Hi everyone, this is Jonah Andersson, and I am here today in my home office. And it's Monday, of course. The week has just started for all of us. My day went well. I had a good day. I had several meetings of the day, great conversations, and I also had good meetings with my colleagues where I could help them and do some work together. So I'm pretty satisfied with my Monday, and soon it's actually time for me to get off the computer and get some fresh air, go for an evening walk with my dog Lawrence. And I wanted to record this video before I get offline and to share to everyone that I have good news. I got an email or received an email from the production team of O'Reilly today, Aliyah, from Aliyah. She has been working and helping me along with her team in the production process of my book project, Learning Microsoft Azure project with O'Reilly. And I got news that my book went or was sent to the printers last Friday. And I'm happy to hear that, and I'm looking forward to receive the book, physical copy of the book in my hands. And I'm grateful to all of the people, friends, and everyone that contributed to the book, especially to the early readers. There are a lot of you to mention and to name in one video, so I will acknowledge each of you later on. And then I also would like to thank all of the technical reviewers that really spent their time to go through the first batch of the chapters, second batch, and the third batch, reviewing the technical quality of my book. In spite of your busy schedules, you took time to give your feedback for the book. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much to those that provided their expert quotes in each of this chapter. So I will be probably doing a series of small videos thanking each of you for that. And I do appreciate your time in writing the quotes. Thank you to those that wrote the praise quotes as well. I think there's a list that I'm about to read. I haven't read all the praise quotes yet. That will be printed in the first part of the book, but thank you so much. And most of all, also thanks to the providers or writers, contributors of the foreword. I actually have two foreword. Um, One from Magnus, who is the first ever Microsoft MVP and longtime MVP in Sweden, Magnus Mortensson. Thank you. And I also have Thomas Mauer. I hope I pronounced your last name correctly. He is from Switzerland. He works for Microsoft, and he also provided a good foreword on the book. If you're curious to read about it, you'll find it out when the book is released and updated online and printed. And I also received a good afterword statement and written by Maxime of Microsoft Norway. And Maxime and I, and even Thomas, I haven't met them except Magnus. We've met a few times in Sweden. But thank you so much both for your contribution, and I'm sure the readers will definitely find inspiration in the written foreword and afterword that you contributed into my book. So facts about my book. I think there's a podcast about me sharing about my journey, but I will share more about it. But my book was actually planned to be like 400 pages, and I believe it's about 400 plus something, along with the table of contents and all the content that it needs to be. And of course, the cover, I love it. It's the hyacinth macaw, which is the world's biggest or largest flying parrot, and I love it. It's beautiful. The blue color of it, I like it. And hyacinth macaw is actually an endangered bird or parrot or macaw that's only found in South America. And I actually tried to look for one when I was in Asia, like in a zoo or a bird park in Kuala Lumpur, but I didn't find one. It's just a typical parrot that I saw. But I hope someday that I get a chance to visit South America or any zoo where I could meet this macaw. But I heard that they're very, very intelligent and very friendly. They can be pets as well, macaws, but they are also endangered. So I'm glad that my book is kind of like representing that macaw for Azure, and I look forward to what the readers around the world would think about the cover and also the content of the book. So the book is gonna be updated, the online version, in a week or so, and it's already out on Amazon and all other places for pre-order around in Sweden or outside Sweden or in India, I think, as well. So it's there. If you want to buy it, read it, go for it. And then the online version, if you're a person that wants to read online, it will be the latest and final version will be updated on the O'Reilly's platform soon. So finally, I want to thank the O'Reilly team, Jill, Aliyah, Megan, Suzanne, Jennifer, the first person at O'Reilly that I spoke with in this project. That it all started with an idea and it became a project, and it's a long story to share in details in this video, but you will learn more as you read the book, especially the foreword and the preface part of it. So thank you so much to all contributors. I may have missed mentioning each of you, but you will be mentioned more specifically as I share more about the release and publishing of this book. So thank you so much, and I hope that you have a great rest of your Monday evening, and looking forward to share more updates next time. Bye.